Hi, this is Shushan from Measure Square. In this Android video, I'm going to be covering the view options. If I click on Views and View Options, you can see a list of things that you can toggle on or off in terms of what you want to view on your diagram. For example, if I want to put in a product legend, I can turn that on at the top and click Done, and you'll see the product legend will show up right there. If I go back to Views and View Option, you'll see a lot of other features. Some of the important ones might be Wall. If I want to view the wall of certain rooms and I want to do tile work on them, you might want to turn that on. And if you click on a room, you'll see the walls of it pop up. If you don't do any tile work on walls, you probably want to turn that off. You can see the rest of the stuff here. Self-coving, texture, seam. This is all stuff that's going to show up on your diagram. So if you see anything missing, make sure you come in here and turn it on. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.